everyone. So this video is going to be about our grow kits. Now this is going to be a general video where I talk about what is contained in the grow kits and how you set them up. I'll go into more detail about the grow kits themselves in other videos where I talk about the individual types of mushrooms. And also, shiitake mushrooms are a whole different thing. They get set up completely differently, so I will be creating a different video on them. I'll link it right here. Now, this is what our grow kit looks like. It has the nice big label on the front with lots of good information about the mushroom. And our grow kits come with our contact information on the side, so you can contact us there. Then when you open up your kit, you should find your grow medium block, a humidity tent, the instruction manual, a list of do's and don'ts for those of us who don't read the instruction manual, and your recipe card that has a recipe that we have testing and is delicious. We also have your little spray bottle for spraying water into your humidity tent. So let's get into it. When you first open up your grow kit, you're going to see this big block, and in the instructions you'll read that you need to cut it open. So I've marked on the block here where roughly you want to make your marks. So you're going to cut this with a knife very carefully. You're just going to pierce the plastic. You're not going to stab into the block, or you don't want to cut it open. You're just trying to cut the plastic. So you want the mushrooms to be able to get the air. So you're going to cut it in 2 X's like that, and then set it down. I like to set it on a baking sheet or something to catch any dripping water, any condensation. So I wouldn't recommend putting on a wood table or something like that. And then you're going to take your humidity tent, which should look like this. It's sealed on one side with slits in it. It has a lot of holes. That's to let air in. And then you're going to open that up and take your little spray bottle, which you will have filled with water, and spray that. Spray into the bag about 5 to 20 times. So enough that it's damp, but not like dripping wet. There shouldn't be any water pool. And then you're going to take that and put it over top of your grow kit. So that's creating a humid environment for the grow kit, so the mushrooms can thrive. Now, mushrooms like a cold, humid environment, ideally around, it depends on the mushroom, but around 16 degrees Celsius. Really cold, but above freezing is ideal. But depending on the individual mushroom, they like different temperatures. Once you've harvested that side of your block, you're going to tape up with packing tape. Tape up this side, so when you flip it over it doesn't leak. And then, as I said, you're going to flip it over and cut the other side the same way. And you should get at least 2-3 more harvests. We have heard of people getting as many as 6 harvests out of their block, but you'll know your block is done when it has dried up and it feels very light. So these blocks start off around 3 kilograms. It'll feel like nothing. It'll feel like dry dirt, pretty much. So our grow kits contain hardwood pellets, water, and either soybean hull or wheat bran and gypsum. So in this bag is all that mixed up with some spores added, and then they grow to have mycelium. I'll be going more into depth about our whole process in another video, I hope that was a good explanation of how to set up your grow kit. For more specific information with each individual grow kit, there will be a playlist of new videos where I will go into depth with each grow kit. Today I used a chestnut grow kit. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.